In this video, you are going to learn how to create your Google site for your ePortfolio for the cohort. So the first thing you're going to want to do is log into your Google Apps for Education account. And once you're in your Google Apps for Education account, even just in Documents, you're going to click on the black toolbar and you're going to click on the word Sites. Once you click on the word Sites, it's going to take you to Google Sites. If you've created a website before using Google Sites, it's going to be listed here. Otherwise, you will have a little bit of a different screen, but you'll have this big red button that's called Create. So we're going to click on the Create button. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to name our site. So I'm going to name it Molly's Teaching and Technology ePortfolio, and I'll probably put the date on it, 2012. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to select a theme. So I can click on the little black pull-down button here to select a theme. We are not going to be using the gallery up here for the templates, only choose a theme down here below. So then you can choose what color you would like your ePortfolio to be. So I'm going to click Treehouse for today. Once I make a selection, it turns red, and I can scroll down to the bottom because I also need to do the More Options. So there's a little black arrow by More Options, and I'll click down. We can skip site categories and site description, but what I want you to make sure that you do is click on the bottom two radio buttons. So only people I specify can view this site, which means actually to edit the site. We don't want anybody else to edit in your organization. And then also let anyone in the world view this site. So make it public because we want to see everybody else's site. So just after you've done those things, up on the top you have a big red Create button, and I'm going to click on Create. It's creating my website, and here it is. So now this is going to be my ePortfolio. The thing that we're going to do is we're going to make a page for each of our different classes that we take on the left-hand side, and then you will be adding to the pages the final products that you have for each course. So up in the top right-hand corner we have a couple buttons. One is called Edit Page, and one is called Create Page. So the first thing we're going to do is create a new page. And the first page that you're going to do was the first class that you took, which was Creating Community. You don't have to change anything else on the page, just title, leave all of this alone, and up on the red button, click Create. You'll notice that it created a link on the left-hand side in the navigation. It also created the page and put it in the edit mode so that I could start typing if I wanted to. I know I'm in the edit mode because I have the toolbar up here, and I don't have the edit button over here or the create new page, but I have a save button. So I'm going to click save. I'm going to create the next classes, pages for the next classes. So I'll do a new page, and this next class is called Curriculum in the Cloud. I'll do the same thing, leave everything else, click the red button on Create. It opens in the edit mode. I have to click Save. Another page called About Assessment. Click Create. And the last page for the last course that we're doing, which is Emerging Technology and Trends, we'll do a new page. And click Create. So now you have a page for each one of your 4 courses that you are taking for the Teaching and Technology cohort. So they are in alphabetical order as opposed to the order that we're taking them. If you would like to change that, you click on the little Edit sidebar underneath, and on the Edit sidebar, we go into the navigation, which is right here, and we click on Edit. Right now, it's called Navigation, so you could change that to Teaching and Technology Courses and display the title. And right now it's automatically organizing the navigation in alphabetical order, so you would have to take that off, and then you can organize your classes into whatever order you'd like using these arrows on the side. So Creating Community, Curriculum in the Cloud, Assessment, and then Emerging Technology and Trends. When you're done with that, you click down at the bottom, OK. Up in the top, you click on the red button, Save. You click on this Molly's TNT ePortfolio and go back. And now I have my classes that are in order, and I have my Google site all set up.